Just like most things in life, luck plays a very important role in football as well. Obviously, you need to prepare right, you need to have the skills, you need to have the right tactics, and on day you need to perform really well to beat a team in a game of football. लेकिन जब लक आपके साथ होता है तो ये सारी चीजें ना होते हुए भी यू कैन विन अ गेम ऑफ फुटबॉल, एंड जब लक आपके साथ नहीं होता है तो ये सारी चीजें होने के बावजूद यू कैन लूज अ गेम ऑफ फुटबॉल, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड इन लास्ट नाइट्स मैच. Chelsea won 5-1 against Ajax in the Champions League at Stamford Bridge. और मैं बस यही कह सकता हूँ कि लक हमारे साथ था और लक उनके साथ नहीं था. अभी तक लक हमारे अगेंस्ट रहा है. इन द लास्ट कपल ऑफ मैचेस, मे बी बिफोर नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट, बिकॉज दैट वाज अ डिसेंट परफॉर्मेंस. बिफोर दैट we have been a little unlucky, whether it's against Manchester United where we got a red card, whether it's against Brighton where again we got a red card. So I was cautious going into this Champions League game क्योंकि होम पे जितने भी गेम्स हैं they need to be won, because हमारे अवे गेम्स थोड़े टफ है. We play against Napoli, we play against Atalanta, and at home we also have Barcelona, which is going to be a very tough game. So all of these games at home are must win. So I was expecting us to go into this game with a strong lineup. लेकिन लक हमारे साथ था पहली बार, और लक आयाक्स के अगेंस्ट था. एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से वन थिंग अबाउट आयाक्स की फर्स्टली दे हैव नॉट हैड अ ग्रेट स्टार्ट टू द सीजन. उन्होंने चैंपियंस लीग में एक भी गेम नहीं जीता है, उन्होंने एक गोल भी नहीं मारा था अभी तक. येस्टरडे वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दे स्कोर्ड गोल, and considering their performances, I would have expected them to be a bit more conservative. I would expect them to be a little more defensive, have more restraint. लेकिन भाई उन्होंने अपने खुद के decisions लिए. They were super confident. In fact, I would say they were overconfident, and every single decision that they made went against themselves. उन्होंने जितने भी टैकल्स मारे, वेदर इट्स फॉर द रेड कार्ड, वेदर इट्स फॉर 2 पेनल्टीज, दे वर ऑल रॉन्ग. ऑब्वियसली जो 2 गोल गए वो भी, मतलब 5 गोल गए जिसमें से 2 पेनल्टी थी, 2 डिफ्लेक्शंस थे, एंड वन वाज अ रियली स्कफ फिनिश बाय मार्क ग्यू. बट it just was not a good day for them, and it was a good day for us, and sometimes you need these good days. When I saw the lineup, I was a bit surprised कि हमने इतने young बच्चों को start करा है, considering this is a very important home game. We started quite a young, quite fresh attacking lineup with all 4 teenagers playing: Buonanotte, Estevao, Jamie Gittins and Mark Gu. And I was a bit scared कि ये लोग कुछ कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, क्योंकि अभी तक जितनी भी मैंने गिटिन्स की परफॉर्मेंसेस देखी है, आई हैव बीन डिसअपॉइंटेड. गिटिन्स और गार्नाचो दोनों ही, मतलब मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, लेफ्ट विंग पे वी हैव अ प्रॉब्लम अगेन दिस सीजन. बट यू नो व्हाट, Jamie Gittins, good job, man. He deserved that man of the match. He deserved, maybe he also deserved a goal considering his performance, because he was so good. I would choose him over Garnacho now, any day of the week. On that best day, when both of them are confident and when both of them are playing well, I would choose Jamie Gittins than Garnacho, because Gittins is more of a threat. He's stronger, he's quicker. Yes, he might make more mistakes and he might give away the ball more times, but he's more of a threat than Garnacho. Yeah, Garnacho, it's not looking good for him. But that was a great game of football for Chelsea क्योंकि हमने ज़्यादा mistakes नहीं की. Obviously, Tosin made a mistake, and one thing I want to talk about is how Tosin does not deserve to be at Chelsea. If your most experienced player is a bang average defender who can probably start for a mid-table team in the Premier League, then you know there is something wrong. Tosin will not start when Colwill is not injured, when Badiashile is not injured, when Fofana is not injured, and when Chalobah is not injured. ये पांचों या ये चारों लोग उसके ऊपर स्टार्ट करते हैं. So for him to be the most experienced player in our backline is not really the ideal scenario. I personally don't think he's good enough for Chelsea, and I think he should be sold, or I don't know, maybe he can be in the squad as like a father figure, or as the most people in the squad call him, Unc Tosin. He's not good at one-on-one defending. His line breaking passes or his passing in general is not great. मैंने आज तक उसका एक crazy pass देख के ये नहीं बोला wow what a ball. But I have said things like that when Badiashile has played a pass and when Levi Colwill has played a pass. One-on-one, all these defenders are better than him. Fofana, the only reason he is still relied upon is because people know कि वो इतना injury prone है, but उसकी 1v1 defending is probably one of the best in the Premier League. Same goes for Chalobah. He brings character, he brings strength, he brings also Chelsea spirit because he's an academy product. But Tosin में तो कुछ भी नहीं. I don't know why he's still around, and I genuinely think it's for his leadership and his communication qualities, but I don't think that is enough for you to be at Chelsea. I think if that is the case, then you should probably start in cup games and not start in the Champions League and definitely not start in the Premier League. So Tosin एक problem है और ये इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि firstly उसने जो penalty दी that was clearly a foul. That is very stupid decision. जब ball जा चुकी थी हमारे डिफेंडर के पास, he had no reason to commit but he still committed a foul and put us in sort of like a vulnerable position. एक गोल का मार्जिन हो गया वापस, so that's not something you would expect your most senior player to do. But apart from that, I think it was a really good performance from all over the pitch. I think सारे players ने अच्छा खेला. I don't think I can pick out anyone that did not have a good game. Achampong played well. Estabao had an absolute blinder. I think he should have scored like 2 goals at least. All in all, I think it was a good game. I think we got lucky, but also our performance was not bad, so it would be a deserved win in my books. And next we play Sunderland on the weekend. I think should be an easy game to win, but you never know. This is Chelsea and this is the Premier League. So that's it for me for right now. I'm going to make another video on the weekend and I'll see you then. Peace.